Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and welcome to our next session of our practice videos. Bismillah ta'ala, today we're going to be taking a look at two specific letters, the letters Qaf and Kaf. Letters Qaf and Kaf. Now, as a quick brief recap for you guys, letters Qaf and Kaf, they come from the rear of our tongue in conjunction with our uvula. The letter Qaf specifically, it comes from the back side of the uvula, up there by our palate, by the roof of our mouth, where it's soft and meaty, right? Qa, qa. And it's an awe-struck mountain letter. So you want to ensure that you have that peak. Qa, qa, qa. As for the letter kaf, right? Kaf, it also comes from the rear of our tongue in conjunction with our uvula. The difference between the letters qaf and kaf being that the letter kaf comes from the front of the uvula, up there by the palate of our mouth, by the roof of our mouth, where it is not soft and meaty, but rather it is solid, it is hard. And also, as you can see, the letter kaf is not qaf, but kaf. Kaf, it is a flat meadow sound. Now let's start off with the letter qaf. Let's take a look at a practical example. Let's take a look here at verse number 6 of Suratul Humazah. And I want you guys to practice this with me. I want you guys to read it with me. Find it first. Qa, 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 qaf, aql. Remember, the letter qaf comes from the rear of our tongue in conjunction with our uvula, specifically from the backside of our uvula, where it is soft and meaty. Let's read this verse together. Bismillah ta'ala. Narullahi al-muqada. Al-muqa. Students tend to read al-muka. Not a flat sound, but an awestruck. Ensure that you're elevating the rear of your tongue because this is a mountain letter. Narullahi al-muqada. Beautiful job. Just like that. Very good. Now let's take a look at two examples for the letter kaf. Letter kaf being a flat metal sound, right? And you're going to shift just a little bit forward to in front of the uvula, where it is solid and hard. It's not going to be soft and meaty. We have two examples we'll take a look at. First being in verse number 1, and the second being at the beginning of verse number 4. So if we take a look at verse 1, let's read this together. وَيْلٌ لِكُلِّ هُمَزَةٍ لُمَزَةٍ. Ku, and ku, likulli. Beautiful job, just like that. Now, verse number 4 at the beginning, this will become a bit more clear for you. Sometimes we tend to, myself and students, we tend to say kalla, ka. No, ka, a flat sound. Keep your tongue flat. Kalla, kalla, ka. Ah, perfect. That was amazing. One more time. Kalla. Beautiful, just like that. Now let's go ahead and let's recite this portion together, Bismillah ta'ala, so you guys can get some field practice in regards to the letters Qaf and Kaf. I want you guys to read it with me. Follow with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ويل لكل همزة لمزة الذي جمع مالا وعدده يحسب أن ماله أخلده كلا لينبذن في الحطمة وما أدراك ما الحطمة نار الله الموقدة التي تطلع على الأفئدة إنها عليهم مؤصدة في عمد ممددة. Very nice job, guys. Perfect pronunciation, or on our way rather to perfect pronunciation. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.